Cool, thank you everyone for coming. This is our second meetup. It's quite exciting. The group has grown a lot, so when we took the group that was abandoned, there were 200 people. Nowadays we have more than 600, so it's pretty awesome. Thank you everyone for that. Important thing, of course, Wi-Fi. Last time I was here, Wi-Fi was kind of okay, but we'll break it as usual. So who's running these? Here are the three culprits of running these today. So we have myself, we have Maria over there with the beer, and we have Matt Saunders who's recording all these, and also he brought handmade cookies. So awesome. We also want to thank our sponsors. There's the Meetup sponsors, Prism Digital, with Jack over there. Say hi, Jack. Hello. He has some London DevOps badges, so if you want some, talk to him and he'll give them to you. We have DevOps guys as well, which is a DevOps consultancy, so if you need any kind of DevOps in hard in your company and you don't have that, they will be able to help you. And also Riley, which are giving books. We have a couple of books today to give away, which we'll do at the end of the talks. And today we're here thanks to eSynergy Solutions, so I would like to invite them to give you a 2-minute talk.
Welcome guys, how are we doing?
Hey.
Half dead by the sound of it. I would like to say, before I start introducing, my name's Ryan, I work for eSynergy. Our use of electrical devices are extremely prohibited during the presentation. So yeah, as I said, my name's Ryan, I'm working for eSynergy, we're actually sponsoring the event. If you don't know who we are a recruitment, IT recruitment consultancy. We do a lot of work, especially in the open source field. We do specialise in the whole IT life cycle, but as you can probably see by us obviously sponsoring events like this, we are extremely interested and involved in the DevOps field and in the DevOps space. So a lot of our work is revolved around sort of open stack, open source technologies, Ruby, PHP, Jenkins, Chef, etc., etc. So I'd just like to say, enjoy the presentations by the guys. Thank you for coming as well. I would like to mention as well that, as well as obviously, helping out clients and big companies in their recruitment process, we are very keen, obviously, hearing from you guys. So please don't be shy. Please come and speak to us before, after, during the presentation. We do have a lot of positions available, which I've just put up now. A lot of positions available right now, especially in the DevOps space, the DevOps market. As you know, it's a big and upcoming field, so we'd love to get involved and love to speak to you if you are looking for opportunities. But apart from that, enjoy the show and enjoy the presentation, and look forward to speaking to you. Thanks a lot.
Alright, so we're doing these for the community. We're part of the community ourselves as well, but there's other meetups out there that we recommend that you go to. If you have the time and the energy to do so. I know there's a lot of meetups, but these ones are especially good and coming very soon. So we have the London Public User Group meetup, which is the first one of their offices here in London. So quite exciting, new office now. And also DevOps Exchange London, which is the biggest DevOps meetup. It's happening on the 30th of October. The one last month was very exciting. There were almost 300 guys there, so it's very big. There's also coming conferences that we're trying to get you some discount codes for. So there's the Chef Community Summit that is starting very, very soon. I think it's tomorrow actually. And also Span Conference, which is about NoSQL. Both of them we have a 10% discount and a 20% discount for them. And I think today Nathan Harvey was going to show up around here, but since he's not, I'm going to skip his slide. And there's also in November, Velocity Europe, which is one of the biggest conferences, which is in Barcelona. So exciting beer, tapas, sun, and conferences. And also after that, there's Web Birthdays in
Hey!
Oh, there you go. Wonderful, I won't skip this slide anymore. So there's Web Birthdays in Barcelona, which is an conference just the day after Velocity. So if you want to talk with the local community and all the community members that have come all around Europe for Velocity, please join us. It's very fun. You can register in this URL. It's only 35 euros. So it's it's peanuts compared to what costs living in London. We also got a discount code for them, so if you use this code USRG250, you get 250 euros off the ticket, which is good. So Nathan, thank you for coming. So I just talked about the Chef Community Summit, so you want to talk 2 minutes about that?
Sure, I'll talk a couple of minutes about that.
Go for it. So, Nathan.
Right, you gave me the clicker. I don't know what's coming next. Is this slide karaoke now? Oh, okay. Very good. So hi, I'm Nathan Harvey. I work at Chef. I'm blinded by the lake. That's a little better. I also do an amazing podcast called The Food Fight Show. I don't know if you've heard of it. If you have, you should thank that guy in the back, Brian Berry, because he's the one that started it. So thanks to Brian. Nobody's heard of it, so no thanks to Brian. That's cool. Somebody can clap at least. Act like you're Right, so we're doing the Chef Community Summit tomorrow and Thursday. And if you're interested, there was a discount code that was just up there, but if you're interested and feel like you can spend a couple of days talking about Chef, just come talk to me and I'll get you a better discount code. One that starts with a 1 and ends with a 0, also like that one did, but it has another 0 in the middle. So you can just come along for free. The Chef Community Summit, we get together for 2 days, and it's 2 days of open spaces, talking about Chef, DevOps, anything that is of interest to the folks that are there. Thanks for having me at the London DevOps Meetup to come and say a few words. Brian was also my tour guide through the London Tube, which at this time of night is super easy, as you all know. So, thanks.
Alright, so you're here for the talks, right? So we'll go straight to the talks now. So we have 3 amazing talks today. I know how amazing they are because I've seen talks from each one of these guys before, and I've been awesome and awed by them. So it's a privilege that we have them here. So we have, first of all, Boyan from Halo. So we'll be talking about monitoring mesh infrastructures with microservices, just to make it a bit more difficult. Then we have Thomas Doran, that will be talking about a very cool project that he's doing based on Docker. And the last one will be David Meeting over there, that will be talking about the best practices for incident handling. So, one thing, last one, I promise, I get out of your way. Tell us what you think. Your opinion matters to us. So even if you think we need more cookies, it's fine. I'm sure Matt will make them. Anything that you can think about to make this better, we're here to listen to what you say. So thank you very much for coming.